Welcome to Blockchain Metrics, and let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a concept that is actively rewiring the global financial system as we speak. We're talking about decentralized finance, or DeFi, and how it can literally liberate you from the traditional banking system. We've got a lot of ground to cover in just a few minutes, so let's get into it.
Section 1. Welcome to Decentralized Finance.
So what if you just didn't need a bank? I really want you to picture that for a second. Imagine grabbing a loan, earning interest on your savings, or swapping currencies with absolutely zero paperwork. No bank manager side-eyeing your transaction, and no waiting around for business hours to open. I know, it sounds like science fiction, right? But this is the reality we're stepping into right now. Basically, DeFi is a blockchain-based financial system that's designed from the ground up to completely remove traditional middlemen. Instead of a bank standing like a bouncer between you and your money, DeFi gives you direct, unfiltered access to financial services. It's all about putting the power directly back into your hands.
Moving on to Section 2, bypassing the middleman.
Look, we all know traditional banks. They're full of frustrating friction. You've got human middlemen taking a cut of everything, mountains of paperwork, and incredibly slow processing times. On the flip side, DeFi replaces all those human bottlenecks with smart contracts running on blockchains. Think of them as self-executing lines of code. They are automated, lightning-fast, and completely transparent. In this world, the code is law, not a bank manager's mood.
Let's look at a real-world scenario here. Say you want to earn some interest. Step 1. Instead of depositing your cash in a bank, you deposit crypto directly onto a DeFi platform. Step 2. Borrowers show up on that platform and pay interest to use those funds. And Step 3. Actually, this is the real game changer because there is no bank taking a massive overhead fee. You, the lender, get to keep most of that interest directly. It's just a vastly more rewarding system.
And it goes way beyond just lending. You basically have a full-service financial ecosystem right at your fingertips. You can seamlessly swap different cryptocurrencies, borrow funds by putting up your crypto as collateral, provide liquidity to trading pools, or even stake supported tokens to earn passive rewards. It is a seriously impressive toolkit.
Section 3. Benefits and hidden risks.
Let's highlight the big wins first. DeFi is open to anyone on the planet with an internet connection. No credit checks, no arbitrary gatekeeping. It's available 24/7, meaning these markets literally never close. It's highly transparent, so anyone can audit the code and track transactions on the blockchain. But the absolute biggest takeaway? The total direct control you maintain over your own assets at all times.
But hey, we have to keep it real and talk about the risks, because they're serious. Since its entire system runs on code, there can be smart contract bugs. If the code has a flaw, funds can be drained. No two ways about it. There are also plenty of hacks and scams targeting newer users. And of course, the crypto space is infamous for extreme market volatility. Being your own bank means taking 100% of the security responsibilities onto your own shoulders.
Section 4. Your financial future. You always have to research before investing. Never risk more money than you can honestly afford to lose. Look, financial liberation is amazing, but it comes with immense personal responsibility. Because there are no middlemen, there's also no customer service hotline you can call to reverse a mistake. Careful risk management, a healthy dose of skepticism, and continuous learning are your absolute best tools out here.
So, I'll leave you with this final thought to chew on. How will you navigate a world without middlemen? The technology for a truly direct access financial system is already here, and it's evolving every single day. Thanks for joining me today, and make sure to subscribe to Blockchain Metrics for more insights.